It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Target haul, because they have just so many awesome things for home right now. We just took down all of the Christmas decorations in our home and I just felt like I needed a little bit of a refresh in certain areas, but didn't really want to spend a whole lot of money. So Target is the place to go, in my opinion, if you just want like something simple like a budget-friendly throw pillow or plates or throw blanket or just decor of any type. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I got some good stuff. So keep watching. Let's talk about Valentine's Day first, because it's like a month away, less than a month away. And it's so sad when you take down all your Christmas decorations, right? Because it's like you lose the twinkle lights, you lose the glow, you lose the coziness and the comfiness of like all of the decor. So for years now, I've always liked to just add a little bit of Valentine's Day to the house. And now with Ken, I absolutely like to decorate for Valentine's Day because it's just a slow fade out of taking all of the decor down. So we leave some of our winter stuff up, but take down the Christmas stuff and then add in Valentine's Day. And I found some great stuff this year from Target. And this shirt right here, by the way, this is not sponsored. This is just me and my obsession. I found this sweatshirt from Target and it was 20 bucks and it's just so cute. It's got like a velvet leopard print, but I want to share with you guys these things first. Could you die? Are these not the cutest little bowls ever? So I got 4 of these, and then I got the matching plates. The plates are not here yet, but they were $3 each. They sold out so fast. Maybe by the time you guys are watching this video, they will have restocked, but I have envisioned setting up my kitchen counter, like the bar area with like the heart on the top of the heart with like stuff for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be so cute. I love this. $3. My next Valentine's Day find is a twofer. I don't know why, that just always, I make myself laugh when I say a twofer, a 2 for 1. So it's 2 mugs for $10 and they come stacked. And I just think they're so cute with the little hearts, and it's a his and a hers for Valentine's Day, and I couldn't pass them up even though I literally do not need a single additional coffee mug in this house. I just got rid of a bunch of them and here we are buying 2 more, but I couldn't pass it up. They're so cute. Another Valentine's Day find I found is a pan, but it's a heart-shaped pan. I mean, like if you're gonna make a cake anytime in the month of January or February, why not make it a heart? It's so cute. They're Wilton. It was, how much was it? $6.99. And I was like, Ken and I can totally make a heart-shaped cake and she will absolutely love it. I also found, how much was this one? Because this is like something that I just think that every single person who's watching this video should order. It's a Valentine's Day banner and it says Happy Valentine's Day and it was $8 and I'm gonna put this in Ken's room. I also found some really cute, a couple of really cute Valentine's Day pillows. I don't have them right here because they're in Ken's room and she's napping, but we'll show you those in another video. They were all like under $10 or $20, totally reasonable, super affordable, and just a fun way to add a little bit of character and decorate for a seasonal thing in your home. And I mean, we all need a little bit of happiness right now in the midst of all this COVID craziness, so why not bring some love in, you know? Let's celebrate Valentine's Day this year. Hi, my name is Angela and I'm addicted to throw pillows. Like seriously, I have an issue. I have an entire closet dedicated to throw pillows and I go through them regularly and I donate and I give them away and I still end up with more somehow than when I started. It is an issue. But you know, my husband has come to terms with it, so you guys are gonna just need to come to terms with it as well. I bought some new pillows at Target for various places in the house. I'm doing a little bit of a refresh on the back patio and I found some amazing pillows for the back patio. So I love these, super soft. Ooh, I picked that one. It's easy to fix. This is super soft and it's got like good chopping ability. That's very important to me with pillows. So this one, I bought 3 of them and I put them across the back of my swing on the back patio. And we have curtains that we can close, so, and they're not a bright white, so I feel good about having them back there. They're not gonna get as dusty as other pillows might. And this removes, it's a pillow cover, so I could take it off and I don't know if it's a dry clean only or a wash, but it is a threshold pillow, which is nice. Oh, it's machine wash, which is even better, but it is super, super soft. I paid $29.99 each for these, and so I think that's an awesome deal, especially when you look at Euro-sized pillows at Pottery Barn. You're gonna pay a lot more than that for just the cover alone. But this was the cover and the pillow for 30 bucks. I think that's a great deal. I also ordered these. I haven't even opened them yet because I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I just I love them so much. I have them, if you guys remember my last haul that I did with Target, which I wanna say was like October, I ordered these boucle pillows in a smaller size for the townhouse in Ohio, and Matt loved them so much because they are so soft. So I got them in the larger size. I got 2 of them, and I got the matching throw blanket. I don't know if I'm gonna put them in his office or if they're gonna go to the media room, but regardless, they're just so soft, and the price point is just, I have my Target app here, and if you guys don't use the app, you're seriously missing out because I saved so much money by using the app. These were $30. 30 bucks, and they are so soft and so comfy and like just amazing. And these are part of the Studio McGee collection. Y'all know I love Studio McGee so much. Their new collection came out this past Sunday, and it sold out like that, like so fast. And there was a couple of things that I really wanted that I did not get my hands on, and I am quite salty about that. It is what it is. And then the blanket, I don't see the blanket here, but it matches it. It's also Studio McGee. This was 40. I'm telling you, we have boucle blankets from Pottery Barn. Okay, I'm telling you guys, this is not as thick as the Pottery Barn one. It's not as thick, but it's got the soft front. And then, here, Matt can do the touch test.
Yeah, that's pretty serious.
$40.
Yeah.
That's a significant price point difference. I think this is $100 less.
Yeah.
Did you feel the inside? It's got the velvet.
Really?
Yeah, feel it on the inside. You're gonna get mad because we spent so much money.
Oh my gosh.
It's almost the same blanket, it's just thinner. That's it. $40, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing find. Score. Another pillow that I found for my back patio, and I just really liked the texture here because like it's textured and textured, but you can see the 2 different ones. I'm using this on my back patio, like I said. This is, what brand is this? This is Project 62, they were $19.99. I did 2 of them. Again, they are the off-white color, which is nice. The only bad thing is that this is not a pillow cover, so you can't take it off and wash it. So because it's only $20, I feel okay about that because if it gets nasty, I'll spot clean it. If it's really bad, I'll just replace it. But I really like these, and I like the 2 texture difference. I just think that makes it really cool and interesting for the back patio. Another threshold find, this one was $19.99, and I cannot stop touching this, and Matt felt the same way, and I bought one that is almost identical to this from Pottery Barn. I wanna say I paid $65 for just the cover. This is $20 for the pillow and the cover. Now, again, the pillow cover does not come off. It's one of those situations, but it is the softest pillow ever. You will rub your face on it, and then you will send me a DM and say, thank you so much. This is my favorite pillow that I've ever found in my entire life. A couple more Studio McGee finds because y'all, I'm just obsessed, but this is a massive candle. It smells wonderful. It's sandalwood tobacco. This is $30 for this candle. This is the thing. I have a candle that looks very similar to this, don't I, Lanter? Over there. I paid $99 for it. This is a third of the price. It is more shallow. I'm looking at it over there. The one over there is about this big, but it's the same diameter. So it's a third of the price, less than a third of the price. And it's just so pretty. This is gonna look so good on my coffee table, or it could be great in the center of like a side table, or even as a part of a centerpiece. Like it's just really, really interesting and cool. And it's got that 2-tone white with the tan, but it's got like a pearlescent finish, so a little bit of blue. And then the next item I got that's also Studio McGee, and I bought this for a nightstand in one of my guest rooms, and it's just a box, but I just thought that it was really, really pretty and coastal. Y'all know I love coastal. Anything coastal, just sign me up because I wanna live in 30A. But this is just a really cool box. I was gonna put it on the nightstand and maybe hide the remotes in there, maybe some matches next to a candle, and just make it just a pretty place to just conceal the things that you probably just don't want out on the table at all times. This was $20. This is a really well-made, beautiful box for 20 bucks. It's like a no-brainer. This would be a really interesting box to use as a gift if you were giving somebody something like a new set of gloves or a scarf or even a piece of jewelry or something. Like, it's a really cool gift box for $20, and then it's a keepsake too because they get to keep the box and use it. These next 2 pieces I wanted for my bathroom because I thought that they were just really cool. I have a couple of glass pieces like this that have the gold trim, and I just think that they're so pretty, and They're glam, but not like Z Gallery glam. They're glam in a very understated, classy way. And I thought this is really interesting for a bathroom. And it doesn't even have to be our master bathroom, it could be any bathroom. And you can put stuff in there, like you could put your soap, some hand lotion, like some rolled up, like the hand towel. Yeah, it's 16 inches by 5 inches so that you guys understand it's $20. And then the box is also $20, but I like how the depth of it, because this is really cool for a see-through jewelry box if you have like a lot of really interesting statement earrings or necklaces and you want to put them in there. This is really cool for Ken's room, that I can put maybe like roll up her cute little socks or hair bows and have all of everything right there that you just pick it up and open it. Again, $20 each. I thought that these were just really cool and I could use them in basically any bedroom or bathroom in the house. It'll be just a really fun little piece. With the change of seasons, I also like to change my front door, and rugs, they don't last long. And I mean, of course they don't, because they're subject to all of the elements, the rain, the snow, the dirt, all of the things. This is a really good sized mat. This is folded in half. So it's one for layering. So if you do your standard jute rug, this is a great one that you're gonna see the edges around it. It is 24 by 36. It's reversible. It's actually kind of padded and soft. And it's only $13. Like, what a great steal. And I did some shopping and I looked at places like Walmart and Amazon, and I felt like this was the best bargain for the price tag. Another Studio McGee item were these lamps. They are called table lamps. They're 23¼ inch tall. They're $40. I thought that they were just really interesting. They're metal all the way, top to bottom metal. I'm gonna put them in Matt's office on 2 ends of his buffet. He's got a buffet in there that was from 2 houses ago. It's super industrial looking, and I thought this would be really an interesting piece, but $40 for a table lamp is a great price. So I was really excited when I found them in stock, because I looked for them originally like a month ago and they were sold out everywhere around here, including online, and now they're back in stock, and I was super, super, super excited about that. Another lamp I found was this little guy. Again, it's something for Matt's office, but it was $10 for a lamp, and I just thought it was really cute. It's got a brushed base and a canvas shade, and I like the shape of it. I like how small it is. I feel like finding a smaller lamp is really hard to come by that is one that you actually like the look of. And small lamps are fantastic for adding just a tiny bit of glow in a space that tends to be dark for us. At our townhouse, that was on our mantle, and we had no light over there in that corner, so we put a tiny little lamp on our mantle on the right side corner, and I just leave it on, and it's so nice to just have that little bit of glow in the room at all times. So that's what we're gonna do, is add this to his office in the file cabinet in the corner, because it's the opposite end of where the sconces are. So it's just a nice way to balance the light in the room and just add a little bit of soft glow. And I shall name her Pearl, because she just looks like a string of pearls. It's a trailing succulent string of pearls. That's why I want to call it Pearl. $20, obviously it's faux, but I just thought that it was really interesting and cute. And if you guys have a shelf or a corner that you want to add some green to, but you don't have a green thumb, or you just feel like that space is not a good space for growing something, first of all, you're wrong. Check out ZZ plants. They grow in like no light. But second of all, this is a great option, and I just love green. I feel like when you add green to a room, it automatically grounds the space. It makes the space feel more organic and earthy, and just like, I can breathe deep. So this is just a nice little thing for $20. Also, I got a very large lamp that I can't fit into the frame here, so I will have Matt pop up a picture of it somewhere. And I don't even know where it's gonna go in my house, but I saw it on Target's website and I was like, oh, I love that. I need it. So I'm kind of considering putting it on the back patio, just because I think it's so interesting and cool. $130 for it. Higher price tag, but this is a very large piece of furniture. In my opinion, the drum shade is like literally this tall. It's huge. Super beautiful, great quality, and I cannot wait to try it out in different places of the house to see where its new home is gonna be. Okay, that was my haul, and I feel like I did some great shopping and I found some great stuff. So I hope I inspired you guys maybe to get some ideas of something new to try in your home. And you know, always follow me on Instagram, especially in stories, because I am constantly sharing different things that I'm doing in my home, whether it's cooking or recipes or, you know, beauty, fashion, all of the things. I share all of the things over there, so make sure you're following me there. It's just my name, Angela Lanter, and don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. I post on there several times a week, and I like to just, you know, keep it interesting over there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and leave a comment below and let me know what video you want to see from me next. Au revoir.